Hey everyone, big news for the car enthusiasts. In the Netherlands, Rimac incredible Nevera Hypercar has just been delivered to its first customer. This isn't just any Nevera, it's been customized to the customer's exact specification with every detail meticulously crafted. Electric cars, especially as powerful as Nevera, are like a rocket. Ready to launch, they deliver instant power, which can be wild ride if you are not ready. When you hit the launch button, it's a rush of excitement that you feel in your stomach and eyes. The Rimac Nevera is all about speed and power, named after a fierce Mediterranean storm that raced across the Croatian sea. This car lives up to its name. Handcrafted in Croatia, the Nevera is designed to be powerhouse, delivering performance that's hard to match. Electric power is a game changer. Inspired by Nikola Tesla, Rimac focuses purely on electric performance, pushing the limits of what's possible with a range of color options. Nevera Time Attack Edition features a striking black and green design that echoes its first Corsair sibling. The green paint isn't just for look, it enhances the car's aerodynamics and accentuates lightweight feel. The carbon fiber body helps the Nevera achieve around 880 lbs of downforce at 186 mph, ensuring stability and exceptional handling. One of the coolest features of the Nevera is its all-wheel torque vectoring. Each wheel is powered by its motor, giving car incredible control and stability.